A warm welcome back from the weekend, everyone. I am Melissa Enoch here with your money moves this Monday, October the 13th. All right, let's begin with your news. Now, Monday, French entertainment giant Canal Plus is proceeding with plans for a secondary inward listing on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange as it completes its takeover of MultiChoice Group. The company said it will first delist MultiChoice from the JSE before initiating a listing by introduction, allowing South African investors to trade in the expanded pay TV and streaming group. CEO Maxime Saada said the move follows Canal Plus's recent London listing, which provides a fast-track route to the JSE. In Côte d'Ivoire, Dangote Cement has strengthened its African presence with the launch of a $160 million production plant in Antingue near Abidjan in Ivory Coast. The new facility, built on a 50-hectare site, will produce 3 million tons of cement annually. The project is set to create over 1,000 jobs and boost local enterprises, advancing the group's Pan-African industrialization goals. In Mali, the government has introduced visa bond requirements for United States citizens, matching measures imposed by Washington on Malians in a move Bamako describes as a breach of bilateral agreements. The Foreign Ministry said the decision follows the U.S. policy requiring Malians applying for business or tourist visas to post bonds of between $5,000 and $10,000 from 23rd October. Mali stressed that its response is based on the principle of reciprocity and upholds its sovereign right to ensure fair treatment of its citizens abroad. Finally, on the news now, First City Monument Bank today briefed the market on its new public offer. The bank says the offer aims to raise capital to support growth, expand services, and strengthen its position in the banking sector. Let's take a listen.
It's only about 40 billion of the money that we're raising that we're using to support international expansion in the immediate term. We still have room from our existing capital of doing about another 30 billion or so of our existing capital to support international expansion based on the limits that CBN has set. So in actual fact, of the 160 billion naira that we're raising now, only about 40 billion of it will go towards international subsidiaries. But as I said, we will be opening new subsidiaries. Basically, the target is one a year over the next 5 years, and we're working hard to see how we make that a reality.
Let's now track how the markets are starting off today with equities. The NGX All-Share Index closed on the positive, up 0.50%. Côte d'Ivoire's BRVM added 0.33%. Africa's biggest exchange, the JSE, also saw gains, up 0.82%. In North Africa, the EGX 30 added 0.08%, while Kenya's NSE fell by 0.79% to 171.21.
Grace, thank you very much for those market updates. And that's it on this Monday's edition of Money Moves. From all of us here at the FMDQ studios, we say thank you very much for watching and bye for now.